Chetan Verma is a respected name in the legal fraternity of Punjab, Haryana, and Chandigarh. As the former Vice Chairman of the Bar Council of Punjab, Haryana, and Chandigarh, and former President of the District Bar Association, Ludhiana, he has consistently worked for the welfare, dignity, and unity of the legal profession. His journey reflects commitment, integrity, and a deep understanding of the responsibilities carried by advocates. Throughout his career, Chetan Verma has remained closely connected with both senior and junior advocates. He believes that a strong bar is built when experience and youth move forward together. During his interactions across courts, he has always taken time to listen, guide, and encourage young advocates, helping them gain confidence in their legal practice and professional ethics. During his tenure in leadership positions, he actively focused on improving professional training, mentoring systems, and practical learning opportunities for advocates. Several workshops, discussions, and informal guidance sessions were organized to help lawyers strengthen their drafting skills, courtroom presentation, and ethical conduct. These efforts were widely appreciated by members of the bar. At the High Court Chandigarh, his election campaigning reflects his vision for a more efficient, transparent, and supportive legal environment. He continues to meet senior and junior advocates, exchange ideas, and discuss practical issues related to court functioning. The appreciation and encouragement he receives during these meetings clearly show the trust he has earned over the years. His leadership style is calm and solution-oriented. Senior advocates respect his balanced approach, while junior advocates appreciate his accessibility and willingness to guide. He is known for addressing concerns with patience and clarity, focusing on long-term improvements rather than short-term popularity. Mentorship remains one of the core pillars of his vision. He emphasizes structured guidance for junior advocates so that they can grow with confidence, discipline, and ethical strength. By bridging the gap between senior experience and junior enthusiasm, he aims to create a professional environment where learning and respect go hand in hand. This campaign is not just about an election, but about continuing a commitment to service, mentorship, and institutional strength. Through consistent effort, respectful leadership, and a clear vision,